Today we've got to mold these two window units together.
We are joining 2 by Winco windows today in holy matrimony. Each window company has a specific set of instructions for the ceremony, but they all pose the same challenges during assembly. So by the power vested in me by the internet, watch as I attempt to mold these specific windows for the first time. Mulling windows is typically done at the factory, but in special situations, it comes down to the installer to connect the two windows. Like a dating app, sort of. The two window flanges that touch need to be trimmed, so remove them with a utility knife, tin snips, or a cutoff tool like we did. I didn't read the instructions until I was confused, because one of my mentors in this business once told me, the first step is to take the instructions and throw them away. Well, I'm not that dramatic, so I keep them in my pocket while I pretend to know how to do everything the first try. And when I inevitably fail, I consult the instructions that I saved, because I'm smart like that. I assumed I would need some caulk, shims, window tape, maybe some screws or something like that, but I was surprised to find they provided all the screws. For the tools, we used a 6-foot level to help align the windows, but you could use a yardstick or something straight. A screw gun for the screws, caulk gun, utility knife, and I used my handy-dandy Milwaukee M12 cutoff tool with an all-purpose wheel to cut the flanges off. If you quick subscribe, you won't miss any juicy tips. I post YouTube shorts almost every day, packed with tips about tools, installations, and the products the pros use. You can learn a lot from my mistakes. Anyhow, get all your parts around and have a look at them. Lay your windows down on the floor and arrange them next to one another how they're to be joined, like a bride standing next to the groom on an altar, both facing the same way. Next, find the alignment pieces and figure out how they fit together. Caulk the heck out of them. Caulk is cheap in the long run, cheaper than high heating bills or AC bills, so use a lot of it. Fasten them to the windows' adjacent sides. Winco sent us a lovely aluminum alignment set, top and bottom brackets, and all the screws needed for the installation.
So we're going to apply our caulk on here, or in this groove, and then on this flat right here. And then we're going to join them together.
We install the pieces on each window with the screws. Next, we caulk the alignment pieces and press the two together. Use plenty of caulk. We grab the brackets and install them on the top and bottom of the alignment pieces we just joined. Finally, we put a layer of flashing tape over the flange where the windows were joined so no water can get in there, and all that's left is to install. It's not complicated and can be easy if you have all the things that you need beforehand, so take your time and it'll work out for you. Good luck with your project, and if there's anything more I can do to help, let me know, like your math homework or something. Thank you.